There's a famous Winston Churchill quote that was drummed into us in life insurance sales school, which was for many years the financial services equivalent of primary education. I won't attempt too much acting here, you'll be glad to hear. If I had my way, I would write the word insure over every door of every cottage and upon the blotting pad of every public man, because I am convinced that, for sacrifices that are conceivably small, families can be secured against catastrophes which otherwise would smash them forever. And yes, the basis of life insurance is that you pay usually a relatively small monthly amount or premium. Never been quite sure why it's called that. And the life insurance company pays out if you die, either within the term or, if it's whole of life cover, when you die, as it does unfortunately come to us all. Whole of life is not so common these days, as it's more expensive by the time you think you might need it. And of course, when you don't think you need life cover, when you're young and or healthy, is when it's cheapest. As you'll know, I'm sure, the insurer will ask about your medical and often your family's medical history, and if they think there's more chance of you than of the average person dying, will charge you more. But once you're insured, provided you've told them everything, they will pay out, often a lot of money, when you die. There are some variations. Renewable term lets you carry on at the end of the term you've chosen without any medical questions. It costs a bit more, but you never know. Joint cover, if either or of usually a husband and wife, partner and partner, now could be wife and wife or husband and husband, dies, and it's a little cheaper than having two policies. You can index link it or take out a policy which reduces as you pay off a mortgage or a loan. How much life insurance cover do you need? Well, yes, enough to pay off your debts and to leave whoever you might be leaving with enough to cover the income you bring in or the cost of finding someone else to do what you do. Look after a family, for instance. Now that's the bit that needs advice, and about which most financial advisors these days, I'd say, advise far too little.